Hey guys, it's Adrian once again. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you push that like button, subscribe button, and the bell for my new videos, guys. Okay, guys. What I said was I'm starting a new rotator link that's affordable, and this is the first page that you will receive with my share codes right here. This is my mentor right here. It's not me. This is one of my mentors. You see all the cash he making. Discover how to make instant money and passive income from your Cash App. $125 rotator, guys. So let me go through this sales funnel with you that I created, and you will get both page made when you join the my marketing system and Easy1up. All right, guys. Second page is right here. Go to the first video. Okay. Easy1up presentation. $100 instant cash app rotator business. This is business one right here. I give you instructions how to pay, the cash app right here, $100. And I will add you to my rotator. Make sure you text me your link to be added, the conversion pros, and Easy1up, and the cash app also. Give me your cash app also. Okay. Now, this is the cash app. Now, some people don't have cash app, so this video will show you how to create a cash app account. Okay. If you're ready to get started with Easy1up, click here or above right there. But if you want to set up your free cash app below, click this button right here. Now, this is the conversion pros. This is a marketing system, guys, that pay residual income. It's free for 2 weeks, but after 2 weeks, you pay $50 a month. Everything you need to market a business for 50 bucks. That's no brainer. And once you get two people in, it's free, guys. And with my rotator link right here, and you'll get this page made for you, and I'll be advertised on your behalf with your link. Two people is easy. And then this video right here, then you just click join right here, sign up 2 weeks for free, and then to watch the compensation plan right here, guys. Is very powerful. So it's only like 3 minutes or something like that. And another link right here to join the TCP, the Conversion Pros, right here. All right, guys, quick little videos. I'm going to show you the power of basically you can get really three incomes, guys, because some people don't have a cash app. So you'll receive a commission referral right here also. But most people got cash app. So I didn't add this with the rotator, guys, but you will get a few. But you definitely gonna get the $100 and also the $25 residual income per person that you get with the system right there. So make sure you watch this video if you don't have a cash app for sure, because this will show you how to set up a cash app. And I'll give you instructions. And I'm putting in my back office with Easy1up that the cash app, this address right here, and then I'll mark you paid. All right, guys. Let's make this happen for 2021, guys, because with this pandemic going on, you don't know what's going on. So we have to stick together and we have to make money together, guys. And I put 3 powerful videos together, guys, that we can join forces together. It don't take that many people, guys. For one person, you can get 5 or 10 people on your team, and we can just keep on expanding like that, guys. And then when you get the marketing system, you can have your own rotator with your list, guys. So this could be very powerful. All right, guys. Happy weekend once again. It's your friend Adrian. Just want to shoot out what I'm doing to help people in this world, including myself, because I don't trust the government. So, and I left my number and everything too, guys. So if you want to, just text me first and say I want to talk to you, so I know you ain't no spammer like that. All right, guys. Peace and love from your friend Adrian.